Lust sort? No.
Muscles.
Nicholas? Muscles?
Look
Is
for
there
an
an M? This one's hard.
I was close.
Elijah? I'll give you the first letter. L. And I'll give you the last letter. R. Yes, Giselle. Not sure? You want some help? You want some help? Pick somebody to help you. Blurs?
You have to move the
No.
words around.
You have to move the letters around. Go ahead. Huh? Blades? No, we already talked about that. I'll give you another one.
So listen, Mr. Emma already said that it starts with an L, so does that mean our word's going to start with B? No, it has to start with U. Our B is over here and it's going to end with a R sound. We just talked about this.
Some of us just.
It's got to start with the O,
Yeah.
It's
No B. Starts with L. Blades? No.
Do you see a D? No, so what could it be that?
Time's up because Miss B needs to teach us,
Yeah.
so I'm just going to fill it in for you.
If you're at the orange table, you should know. Or you're at this orange poster here, you should know. Malachi should know.
Lobster!
Lobster.
It's hard. It's hard when the words are when the letters are mixed up.
So I need everyone back in their rugs.